Hey guys, it's actually really pretty lighting right now. It's 2 p.m. It's actually my tanning time usually. I've been in the house for like 4 days now. I came across this video posted by Brad Mondo himself of like how to cut your hair. And that's why my hair is all straight, because I'm gonna do that. I need a brush, I have one, a comb, some little hair bands. And the one thing that they tell you not to use is like stationary, like normal scissors. But who has time to go out and risk corona, right? Right down behind your face and one in front. I feel like I have so much more hair than that though. I'm honestly not even gonna cut that much. Here's the thing, like Brad Mondo, he uses like a mannequin head and she doesn't have shoulders. So you can like easily measure out where your hair is. And you don't have shoulders, but I have shoulders and I don't know what to do. Oh, that's too short. I wanted that short. I'm sorry. Just gonna, because I already have layers. So I'm gonna just try to get enough out of it from each like thing. And I can get like someone to help me out with this, but I'm just barely even cutting anything. It's fine, it's fine. Okay, so I got all my sections tied up. It's not gonna be anything dramatic at all. But there's scissors. Gonna cut it. We're gonna cut it upwards, not straight across. I'm standing on my paper bag right now. And just kind of do it vertically. I see what he means. But like these normal scissors not cutting through all the big strands. Moment of truth, I'm gonna pull out these rubber bands and see. I mean, it's not too bad. It's choppy. It's really choppy. Wow. This is insane. Okay, so after a while, I decided I fucked up. And I'm just gonna cut it all to this length. It's a bit short, but it's fine. It's fine. There goes out. Okay, so I did that. Like that. And here's what he did with this mannequin to do the layers. Okay, yeah, so section it, and then you pull it up, and then around half of that you pull down, pull back down. You don't need that. Oh, I don't know how to do this. It's so hard. Then pull it straight up and get that hair tie. This is an arm workout though. And then you're just gonna drop it. Okay. I'm gonna redo the tying because you're not supposed to pull it. Okay. Okay, this part actually scares me because if I screw this up, it's over. I feel like if you were a hairdresser, you would know. I feel like every year when I come back to my hairdresser, she's like, what did she do this time? You know? So I always come back with botched hair. It's fine. Okay, so this is how it looks in the end. I went ahead and washed it, blow dry it, and curled it a little bit. And honestly, I really like it. Like, I've been waiting for this haircut for the longest time because I don't know, I just didn't want to botch my hair up, but like now that I have, I'm kind of happy with it. So, and you know, hair grows back. I took out about like 2 inches, like this much, from like my longest length. So, but it's fine. It's looking really good. It feels lighter and healthier anyway. So